the things I have to do to get a cup of coffee in the morning. We are here in wonderful, balmy St. John's, Arizona. It is 15 degrees above 0 Fahrenheit. And there's snow on my panels. It's been storming for the last couple of days. And I need to clean off the solar panels to make some coffee. We got battery power, but this is one of the chores. I just thought I'd give you guys a look at life living off grid. We're out here in Arizona. It's high plains, 6,600 feet above sea level, so this is normal. There you go, guys. You have a wonderful day. God bless and happy trails. By the way, guys, I did get my cup of coffee. God bless.